you gotta feel bad for Kawaii in hindsight, assuming you're done with the Schadenfreude for this episode. I mean, her inexperience with police dogs and traffic control got her so screwed that it's not a surprise that not long after her decisions with these respective subjects did she regret it right away and ranted about her life again. And as she was ranting here and there, it's pretty much everyone's guess as to how much of these complaints of Kawaii's is from the author herself during her time as a policewoman. Anyway, while Kawaii failed to catch the Mohawk guy in the most embarrassing fashion, to say the least, at least the missing old man in the first half of the episode was found without issue. He's not a corpse like last episode. Though not because Kawaii or any of our main cast had to do with the rescuing. And with that said, that's basically it for this episode. I thank you all for watching and see you guys next week.